Hello guys, welcome to today's show. So my name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program, we will bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Today is the birthday of some of our community members. So we'll start with Kenneth Oga. Today is birthday, so Baba will say, may God grant you all your heart desires and wish you all the best things life has to offer. Today will be Boxing Day night, they do your birthday, and Baba send me 3K, make I use and flex the Boxing Day and the festivity period. So Baba will say, wherever I see money to bless us, may God replenish your pockets in Jesus' name and inshallah. And nobody name they do birthday today. So today now also the birthday of Olawale Omo. He's also one of our community members, and we wish you all the best in life has to offer. So Baba, enjoy your day today, now your birthday. So all of them are getting out as now celebrating a day today. Alright, back to the news. On my military spirit today, they call the London Evening Standard. Don't come outside and let us know, say Arsenal, they in advanced talks get to sign Joao Felix. Arsenal on the top with Jorge Mendes will be Joao Felix agents. So they would like to sign Joao Felix. And when you come make this news sweet my belly, now the fact say Joao Felix be one sign for PSG. But as PSG and Messina don't agree terms, say okay, they will renew their own contract. So it don't say that place don't make sense again. PSG don't see the guy as like they don't really need that. Like PSG, they know they really keen to even sign him again. They don't need them. So as the matter come be now only Manchester United and Arsenal, and therefore they go for this Joao Felix. So the guy has to choose between Arsenal and Manchester United. This guy will cost about 13-14 million pounds for the next 5-6 months for either Man U or Arsenal. Now Arsenal wants this guy like replace or soften the blow of losing a certain Gabriel Jesus. And as it be also Manchester United someone use and soften the blow of Cristiano Ronaldo where they don't lose. And from the look of things, it comes like that Arsenal they win the race, because initially maybe they think say that kind of Bruno Fernandes they will feel easily sway the Joao Felix making go join them. So I don't know, this is why I say Arsenal don't in advanced talks with Jorge Mendes. Maybe not because of the fact say Arsenal they for first position, because the guy they see Arsenal like doing something great this season, but Manchester United are nowhere close to Arsenal this season. So are they very, very happy? We'll just see how everything they go. Hopefully at the end of the day this guy will join us. And remember that the loan deal is going to be with no obligation to buy and with no option to buy, because they still try to repair that relationship with Joao Felix. So we'll just see how everything will end for this January. So away from that, so Fabrizio Romano said don't come outside and let us know say Martinelli contract extension for Arsenal is progressing. It's going according to plan. Arsenal they look the guy saying in coming days or weeks or maybe a few months. I don't think it should be months, maybe not weeks, because this guy is very, very enthusiastic. They're interested in signing the contract extension for Arsenal. So maybe they say everything they go. Even David Seaman said don't come outside, can they advise them Mikel Arteta say make them make sure say then get 2 capable replacements. Now 2 targets say then sign, and those 2 targets now person go replace a Granit Xhaka if Granit Xhaka gets any injury or suspension, and somebody will feel replace a Thomas Partey you get, because for striker role Baba don't they resign to fate, because Seaman they feel say for this January you can never get a striker that is in top form in this January, so it will be very, very hard. Instead you may likely sign a winger and look for how you do the makeshift attacking sphere. There know how you take put some kind of people shall manage rough arm until your main striker come back, because how many top strikers are out there? Don't just go and sign for signing sake. Now what is David Seaman they see you get? So I don't know, like that's why I want to sign this Joao Felix. Joao Felix not be really an out and out striker, but the guy is very, very influential in the final third. He can score goals. The other now calling yes for that Atletico Madrid self, the guy know they play up to 90 minutes, now 45 minutes in the play. That's why he never score plenty goals, and that's why all those things where can't get fun. But somebody then buy 113 million pounds in 2019 from Benfica, and in totality they spent almost 125 million pounds in total package to bring the guy from Benfica over to the Wanda Metropolitano Stadium for Atletico Madrid there. So I don't just know how it will be. More just the watch, because some people say make us a side striker, we need striker bad. Some say when I leave Anjare, anyhow we won't be. More the serious will be. Away from that, so we can also they hear say Joao Felix say the guy don't be say won't come out for Atletico Madrid. Say the guy see the reason say okay, if you don't want make I stay, the only thing go make me stay for that place now. If Simone go come out get then me I go stay, or me I go comot, him go stay, because two of them relationship now. From which side they hear, they no fit repair them again. They don't be like cat and rats now. You get, so I don't call no at the end of the day. Because why they want to send the guy out on loan now? Because they know say there is no club that will come and pay one round. Like they look for 86 million pounds for this Joao Felix. So anybody go fit pay 86 million pounds will carry the guy permanently, and nobody can pay that kind of fee in January. That's why they say, okay, instead of the atmosphere to remain toxic, you get, let's send him out on loan to go and clear his head. Let him go and get joy and happiness elsewhere. And after the loan, but imagine say maybe he come out now, we can't win the league. By the time when they go back, go they happy now. You get, who knows if we can later sign up for the summer and they don't know as it will be. We just the watch. So I thought I said don't come as right for media sets where they ask him about signing striker, because any setting win deal and they not striker they ask him. So but what can they answer them? Say, see, if we want sign striker today, like nah. We can go to Africa, we can go to League 1, League 2, we can go to the Championship, we can go to French La Ligas, anywhere we can sign a striker now. But the catch is, we don't want to sign a striker for signing sake. You get, we don't want to sign the wrong players. Now, which I thought they talk, we don't want to sign players that are not fit for purpose, that will not be able to do what we want them to do. So that's why we take our time, and that goes to buttress my points for the fact say for January, don't expect Arsenal to sign in the first week, you get, or second week. If you be seen at the third week or maybe at the fourth week, who knows, you get. But I never see Arsenal we just sign January 1st. But I just say we don't sign player they come January 1st. I never see them. Remember after they sign, they go see schedule medical, they go see do some kind of paparazzi, do one or two things, you get. Player go see come inside, try to, well, what's just the word, but if it happen on the first week, I will be extremely surprised, because I don't think say it go fit happen, but what's just the watch, the fish shock us. At the same time, Patrice Evra don't come and secondly advise them at that call talk say Arsenal need squad depth. If they want things say they will win this title, they need backup players. Every time people will give us Man City as the example. Say look at Man City, look at their bench, they get good bench, they get like 3 good players for every position. You get, look at an Erling Haaland, they come out and they'll put Julian Alvarez. Or Erling Haaland feel they play, maybe things don't they hard, they'll come out and put Julian Alvarez, we win World Cup. We Arsenal, we don't get that luxury. You get, Gabriel Jesus come out now, they complain. Some people play in Ketia, some say no play in Ketia. Meanwhile, it's the only choice we have for now till we buy. So all these things, these issues go see they come up. All these matters arising, they go come up until we buy. At the same time, for that media set, I think I can make one point, can they buttress the point, say we knew how important it was to get players in early for the summer. That transfer window will pass before the league starts. So we will try to do the same thing for this January, to get in the players early. That one now an indirect way of telling us say then go buy. You get that statement we make. So they are trying to get in players early so that they will try to replicate what they do for the early of the season, because the players, all those Jesus, Zinchenko, they came in early and acclimatized with the boys, you know, play pre-season, can't know how everything they go. So they'll try to do the same thing in January. But just see how it go. At the same time, Ateta can also talk say we need to establish our momentum, like continue from where we stopped the last time, you get, because that is very, very key. You get, even though they lose Gabriel Jesus, will be one of the cogs in the engine, we still need to make sure say everybody focus, everybody understand their mission statements, know why you are here. We are here to win. We don't come play, you get. West Ham our wife normal, so we need to continue the tradition, catch them, finish them, and let them go and move on to the next match. So coming back to winning ways is very, very key. Oyama match of the day, Arsenal versus West Ham. So today, Arsenal will try to resume the EPL with a big win at the Emirates. Oyama run check their head-to-head. So if we check for the last 5 games for the Emirates, Arsenal don't win West Ham 5 times. Even last season itself, we beat them 2-0. But today we're going to hope say Nketiah go fire on all cylinders, because when you check the guy's statistics, you see say the guy don't score 10 goals in the last 10 starts at the Emirates with 15 shots on target to get. And today referee now Michael Oliver, and then go there, so we expect say the guy go do normal, no can't do anywhere for here. We don't want any questionable calls to get. So for this match, my dear football lovers, keep an open mind. I don't check the statistics. Normal we knock them for the Emirates, and we are hoping that these records are meant to be kept. We don't expect say the record go be broken today. So for me, if you ask me for my prediction, I'm seeing Arsenal winning 2-0. You get, the match will be one kind of hard encounter. It's depending on the first 11 way West Ham go bring, because at the year see people like Zuma, they no go play. People like Gianluca Skamaka, maybe want their best striker, say himself no go play. Even Michael Antonio at the year say himself get calf problems. So I never really know whether than just mind game. Now until we see the lineup, we will know who will go play. So if you don't watch yesterday's show, check the top left corner of the screen. You go see the thumbnail. Click am so that you won't get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day and get 'em out.